XRP coin to $149. Is this a realistic price target? This analysis predicts that XRP could potentially rally to $149 using an average sentiment oscillator, and I'm going to be showing you the reason why this particular analysis thinks that it could hit $149 and what possible outcomes we could be having. I also have a recent update from John Deaton, and he has given a specific amount as to how much Ripple could potentially be paying the SEC fine, and it's a very low amount, and how that low amount can be a likely outcome and Ripple may not have to pay $700 million. I also have some news about the DC FinTech event coming up next week, which is going to be quite a funny one because somebody well known from the SEC is going to be there along with Brad Garlinghouse. And today XRP Ripple coin has managed to reach 65 cents, so we will be having a look at the price action for November the 5th. So let's first have a look at the $149 price target that the analysis has predicted. And so eGreg Crypto is a well-known figure in the XRP community. He has given us a lot of price targets over the years for XRP coin, and he has said where it could potentially go. And you can see here it says that at the time, the analysis highlighted two instances in which the indicator accurately signaled an XRP price surge and dip through bullish and bearish crosses. Now I know the $149 price target does seem quite out of reach. This particular analysis has actually got this right on two occasions. Obviously with these price targets you can only do so much technical analysis. It doesn't necessarily mean that it will go to that price, and so of course always take everything at face value. However, you can see here that the bullish cross comes up when the blue line crosses above the red line, and the bearish cross occurs when the red line crosses above the blue line. So if we have a look at this chart here, you'll see that we're bullish when the blue line is crossed over here, and the red line is where it shows that it's bearish. And the ASO indicator witnessed a bearish cross in September 2018, so back a couple of years ago, resulting in an XRP collapse to 17 cents, and another bullish cross was materialized shortly after, with XRP leveraging it for a rally to the $1.96 price. And so looking at historical data, the ASO indicator has obviously come to use, and the bullish and bearish patterns have reflected on the price. Now eGreg's February post suggested that the ASO indicator is on the verge of a third bullish cross, and eGreg has also pointed out that it has taken an average of 275 days or 9 months for XRP to witness a peak of its bull run after each cross. And in one of his updates in February, eGreg predicted that XRP could rally 28,250% when the cross occurs, and at the time this rate amounted to $149. Again, $149 is a very high price target, but again, even if we see a quarter of that $149, which is about $37, it would even be a massive win for XRP holders, as the return on investment would be significant, especially if you bought the coin for just under $1 and you only hold 100 coins. You are going to be in for a massive profit run there. But let me know in the comment section if you think this $149 price target is foreseeable in the future. Could it take a couple of years? I would definitely say so. I don't think we're obviously going to see that anywhere near soon, and especially in the short term we're looking to get back to that $1 price target. So John Deaton has an update for us, and he said that the people who have argued that the SEC got a 50-50 victory in the Ripple case are 100% wrong. It was more like 90 to 10 in Ripple's favor. If Ripple ends up paying $20 million or less, it's a 99.9% legal victory. So we already know that the settlement fine is around about $700 million, and if Ripple even come out with just paying $20 million, then it is a win for Ripple in general. And this is part of the remedies stage as well that Ripple and the SEC are going through. I do think that Ripple have a very strong case. If you watch my previous videos, there are a lot of arguments as to why Ripple have not caused financial harm to XRP holders, and so we could be seeing a very low fine like this. Maybe the SEC might counter something higher, perhaps maybe 100 million and upwards, but again, Ripple do have a very strong case on their hands. And now the big news that we have is that the Ripple CEO and SEC chair are to headline the DC FinTech Week 2023. So both of these are going to be guest speakers, and this event is going to be running from November the 6th to November the 9th. So this is obviously the SEC chair Gary Gensler, and then we have Brad Garlinghouse, who's the CEO of Ripple. And I think with this one, because the event is 3 days, a lot of people, especially the XRP community, are going to be wondering whether these two will they run into each other. Obviously with the SEC case going on, it's a very important week, especially as we have the settlement deadline date for November the 9th, and that's what we have going on for this week. Now let's have a look at the price action. Today has been a big day. We managed to cross that 65-cent price target. We just reached that a couple of hours ago in the morning at a volume of 1.32 billion. You can see right now our volume is up by 53%. We're currently trading at 1.5 billion. We've come down just below that 64-cent level, but we have managed to hit a high of 65 cents. XRP Ripple coin is looking bullish so far, and it is rallying, and we've got a lot of things coming up this week, tomorrow, and so we'll have to see if XRP is able to hold this 60-cent level. And guys, if you want daily XRP news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.